give me some horns. Oh yeah. I'm a sociopathic dodo bird, and I'm cool. I'm a CleptoParasite and slither out of depots, then poke you in the eye when you stand before my bench. You belong to me. I'm a psychopathic parasite, and it's what I'll always be. Yeah. Give me $1. I'll take 2. Set up my webcam so I can stalk you. I'm a CleptoParasite malpractice king. I'm good at what I do. Yeah. And I'll put you in jail if you disclose my residency. Bankruptcies, that's plural for 2. I'll put you in jail. Oh baby, I'll completely silence you. I'm a sociopathic dodo bird. I'm a CleptoParasite. I'll slither out of depots and poke you in the eye. When you stand before my bench. Oh, yeah. I'll fax instructions and legalese from my office to anyone and everyone who has political agendas. I'll sue the whole city of Galveston because you're all cronies. You're all cronies against me. You're all against me, and you all have political agendas. The Galveston Daily News, the Houston Chronicle, ABC, NBC, 2020. You all have political agendas. 'Cause I'm a CleptoParasite Do Do Bird. Oh, yeah.